just like the estimates dashboard, the projects dashboard has different views that you can save and edit, and it allows you to switch between different views of all of your projects. So if you wanted to organize them by a particular client or a type of project or a different status of project, you can easily have multiple dashboards in essence by using your views. So how do you go about this? When you first log into Trackfront and create an account, you'll have one default view, but you can simply go and edit that view in any of these views with the edit tab, as well as delete them if you want to get rid of them later. But you simply go into here and you can go through these different filters. You can filter by keyword, by a contact, by an organization. You can either include or exclude one or multiple organizations from your list. You can choose which status you would like to see. You can choose all of the statuses or only the in-progress ones, as in this case, for instance. You can choose which columns you would like to see in your dashboard view. So as you can see here, some are checked and some are unchecked. We don't use expense too much, but we do want to see the time progress utilization bar. So and these can be rearranged in any order. You can see the current stage, the stage due date if you want. All of this information can be customizable as needed. You can do sorting of your different columns by your first, second, and third priority in ascending or descending order as you would like. And you can also do certain date ranges if you would like to change it by the created or modified date. You can do any kind of default saves that way. And then you would give it a name, hit save, or save as a new name, for instance, and then you would have a new view that you can go and modify and tailor to your liking.